The power steering pump helps turn the wheel smoothly, making steering easier and reducing the effort needed. If the pump starts failing, you may notice whining noises, stiff steering, or difficulty turning the wheel. Here are some easy ways to fix power steering pump without replacing it. One of the most common reasons for a failing power steering pump is low fluid. The pump needs fluid to operate smoothly. First, check the power steering fluid level using the dipstick on the reservoir. If it is low, top it up with the correct type of fluid for your vehicle. Be careful not to overfill it, as this can cause leaks or foaming. Low fluid can also allow air into the system, which may create whining sounds or jerky steering. Old or contaminated power steering fluid can make the pump work harder and reduce its lifespan. Flushing the system can remove dirt, debris, and old fluid. To do this, drain the old fluid from the reservoir, refill it with fresh fluid, and then run the engine while turning the steering wheel from lock to lock. Repeat this process a few times until the fluid runs clean. Fresh fluid can help the pump operate more efficiently and reduce noise. The drive belt powers the power steering pump. If the belt is loose, worn, or cracked, it can slip and cause the pump to make whining noises or lose power. Inspect the belt for wear and tear. If it is still in good condition, tighten it according to your car's manual. If it is damaged, replace it with a new belt. A properly tensioned belt ensures the pump gets enough power to function correctly. Air trapped in the power steering system can cause noise and stiff steering. To remove air, start the car and turn the steering wheel fully from left to right several times while keeping the engine running. Keep an eye on the fluid level and top it up as needed. This process helps push trapped air out of the system, allowing the pump to work smoothly. If your power steering pump is overworked, it can wear out faster. Avoid holding the steering at full lock for long periods, and try not to turn the wheel rapidly when the vehicle is stationary. Driving smoothly and avoiding sharp turns at low speeds can help extend the life of your pump. Regularly checking the power steering fluid level also helps prevent unnecessary strain on the pump. Sometimes the power steering pump may seem faulty, but the real problem could be in the steering rack. Check the rack for leaks, damage, or worn components. Fixing problems in the rack can reduce strain on the pump, restore smooth steering, and improve overall performance. Addressing rack problems early can save you from costly repairs and ensure safer handling. By using these tips, you can restore the proper function of the steering wheel and ensure smoother, safer handling while driving.